1. Assemble the pole A and B together. 2. Position the bigger end of the pole assembly into the groove at the bottom of the body. Make sure the unlocking symbol is allied with the arrow symbol. 3. Rotate the pole to align the locking symbol on the pole with the arrow symbol at the bottom of the product body until there is a click voice. 4. Insert the 2 poles of the base A into 2 holes of the base B, and insert the 2 poles of the base B into 2 holes of the base A to assemble the bases. Position the base assembly to the smaller end of the pole assembly. Ally the arrow symbol on the pole with the unlocking symbol on the base. Rotate the base to align the arrow on the smaller end of the pole with the locking symbol at the base until a click voice occurs and the boundary of the pole assembly align with the boundary of the base assembly. Install the cable hook on the grill of the air inlet. The power cord can be hanged at the cable hook when the fan is not in use.